In today's video we are going to show you how to create a checklist on Canva. It's very easy to use. As you can see, I'm using the Pro version, but it's also available in the free version. So go to the search bar on top and then use the search checklist. After that we are going a little bit down, and what you can do is basically select just a checklist you would like to use. For now I will select one like this one. And as you can see, we can select the paper type and things like that, but we just want to customize this one for now. You can also scroll a little bit more down and then other checklists will show up. Let's select this one. For the example, we will customize the template. Now the template is opening. And as you can see, this is our template. What you can do, you can just drag over this element and you can move it a little bit to the top. Now you can also change the text, like to do list, and then you can delete this one. We drag it and center it a little bit on top, and after that you can customize these texts, like we would like to record the video and then create a thumbnail, and after that we would like to upload the video. And what you can do now, basically if you don't need the other boxes, you can just delete the text. And after that you can select the text, the checkboxes you don't want to use, and just drag them and delete them. What you have done now is created a to-do list on Canva. Of course you would like to check those boxes. Unfortunately it's not available to do this in Canva, but what you can do is download this as a PDF. We will download it and now we will open it, and as you can see there is no available option to edit this or check it. But what we can do is we can go back, and where we downloaded it we can open it in the folder, and if you now press the right mouse button you can go open with Microsoft Edge. That is the only way to edit, and there is a draw option and we will use that. You can select the color of the drawing and also the thickness. We will use the color yellow for now. And what you can do now is basically if you have proceeded this checklist, you can just check them manually. Unfortunately, this is the only option to edit the checklist online, but it's completely free, so definitely try this out, and hopefully this video was very helpful. Cheers guys!